Welcome to our lecture on responsible AI machine learning. Today, we will explore how to build AI systems that are fair, transparent, and accountable. The systems that are not only performs well, but also earn trust. Let's begin by understanding why this matters. Responsible AI has four key goals. First, it must reward users based on merit, not bias. Second, it should never discriminate based on attributes like race or gender. Third, it must be designed for future fairness. And fourth, it should actively correct historical injustices, what we call positive discrimination. Think of these six facets as pillars holding up ethical AI. Privacy and security ensure data protection. Fairness prevents harm to marginalized groups. Explainability means no black box decisions. Robustness guards against adversary attacks. Transparency lets users make informed choice. True responsible AI goes beyond superficial compliance. It demands careful balancing of fairness, privacy, accuracy, and transparency in every decision. For example, transparency, like sharing model logic, might conflict with privacy, like hiding sensitive data. Similarly, coarse data protects privacy, but may reduce accuracy. The main takeaway is that there's no perfect solution, only conscious trade-offs. Bias sneaks in everywhere. Historical bias embeds past inequalities, like biased loan approvals echoing redlining. Reporting bias skews data. Think of five-star reviews dominating a dataset. Automation bias makes us trust the flawed system too much. The only effective safeguard is implementing comprehensive monitoring mechanism across all data stages, from collection to deployment. Fairness isn't a one-time fix. It starts with framing the right problem. Are we predicting risk or reinforcing stereotypes? Data preparation step must audit for bias. Algorithm choice also matters. Some models amplify disparities. Model evaluation is fairness metrics. Finally, model deployment requires monitoring like a chain. The system is only as strong as its weakest link. Metrics can turn abstract fairness into numbers. Equal opportunity ensures all groups experience the same rate of false negatives. For example, a cancer screening model should miss tumors at equal rates for all racial groups. Demographic parity ensures outcomes don't correlate with protected attributes. Predictive parity demands equal precision. These metrics are our fairness campus. When bias emerges, we take action. Reweighting strategically adjusts the sample weights, a straightforward yet powerful solution. Addictive counterfactual fairness eliminates discriminatory patterns at their causal roots. Reject option classify introduce crucial humility, declining to decide when confidence is insufficient, especially vital for high consequence applications. As the code says, reweighting alone can reduce bias without changing your dataset. Tools can also turn theory into action. IBM's AI Fairness 360 offers bias scanners and mitigators like adversary debiasing. Microsoft Toolkit explains models with SHARP and protects privacy. Here's my challenge to you. Pick one tool this week to audit a model. Small steps prevent big failures. For deeper dives, explore Agawa and Mirasha's book on ethical algorithms. You can also look into Google's BIOS guide or take the Amazon Web Services Responsible AI course. By the way, has anyone used this tool before? What was your experience? See you in the next lecture.